Good morning. Today I'm in Pelling. I have visited Skywalk. Do you want to explore Skywalk with me? So this is the starting point. You can see this. And the temperature is around 8 degrees Celsius here. And the hotels are quite very reasonable hotels here. You have to visit with your family and friends. Come, come, come. See, we are almost now equal to Kanchenjunga mountains there. You can see. This is Skywalk. It's completely made with glass, which is very safe to move around, but you need to remove your shoes at the starting point.